Hey there TikTok sellers, welcome back to our channel. Running a TikTok shop comes with its unique set of challenges, doesn't it? Managing your finances while dealing with delayed payouts, complex payment structures, and let's be honest, sometimes frustrating seller support can feel like a full-time job on its own. If you're still tracking everything manually in spreadsheets, let me stop you right there. There's a much better way to handle your TikTok shop finances. Software like Xero or QuickBooks paired with Link My Books track sales, fees and payouts, but also help with tax compliance, ensuring every transaction is accurately recorded. In this video, we'll talk about what TikTok bookkeeping includes. I will introduce you to two of the best tools for full automation, and I'll show you exactly how to set up bookkeeping for your TikTok shop. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell notification to stay updated with our latest e-commerce tips and tricks. Let's start by understanding what TikTok shop bookkeeping actually involves. Think of bookkeeping as the foundation of your business's financial health. It's not just about tracking sales. You need to monitor your fees, refunds, shipping costs, and even those tricky affiliate commissions. Essentially, you need to record all of your income and expenses from the platform. But here's the good news, you don't have to do this alone. Let's look at the tools that can help you automate this entire process. First up is Xero paired with Link My Books. Xero is like your financial command center. Here's what makes it special for TikTok sellers. First, it gives a real-time view of your cash flow. You can see exactly how much money is coming in and going out at any time. No more guessing games about your finances. But here's where it gets really interesting. Xero's reporting capabilities are incredible. You can generate custom reports to track your cash flow, monitor your profit margins, and even forecast your future sales. The platform integrates with over 1,000 third-party apps, including those for inventory management, point-of-sale systems, and time-tracking tools. However, Xero really shines when paired with Link My Books. Here's what happens when you connect them. Every time you receive a payout from TikTok Shop, Link My Books automatically validates each transaction. It checks your sales, refunds, fees, everything. It's like having a virtual bookkeeper working 24/7. The system then creates a clear summary in Xero, breaking down every payout into its components. The best part? It applies the correct tax rates automatically, saving you hours of manual work. You can try Link My Books and Xero for free using the links below. Next, let's talk about QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks is another powerhouse for TikTok shop sellers, and it comes with some impressive features. First, its dashboard is incredibly intuitive. You can see your profit and loss, outstanding bills, and sales performance all in one place. It's like having a financial snapshot of your business at your fingertips. It includes full compliance with Making Tax Digital and comes with a built-in VAT error checker, super important if you're selling in the UK. Plus, it provides support for self-assessment tax returns, making tax season much less stressful. It also automatically syncs your TikTok shop transactions and matches them with your bank records, so reconciliation is just one click away. And it lets you categorize income and expenses by sales channel or profit type, perfect for sellers juggling multiple revenue streams. The reporting features are extensive. You can generate over 50 different types of reports and get insights on profitability, cash flow, and taxes. QuickBooks can tell you all of this and more. Just like with Xero, when you connect QuickBooks to Link My Books, the magic really happens. Link My Books pulls in all your TikTok shop data automatically. Every sale, every fee, every refund, all categorized correctly and ready for reconciliation. The system handles your tax calculations automatically, whether you're dealing with domestic sales or international transactions. Now, let's talk about the automation piece, Link My Books itself. Think of Link My Books as the bridge between your TikTok shop and your accounting software. Here's what it does. It automatically imports all your TikTok shop transactions. We're talking sales, fees, refunds, everything. No more manual data entry. And get this, you can import up to 2 years of historical sales data. Every transaction is validated and categorized automatically. The system checks for accuracy and assigns the correct tax rates based on your sales locations. The financial analytics feature is incredibly powerful. You get detailed insights into your business performance, from tracking profitability by channel or marketplace to analyzing your ROI. With easy-to-read dashboards and customizable reports, you can monitor key metrics and identify trends to make data-driven decisions. Here's something really unique. Link My Books offers industry benchmarking. You can compare your store's performance against similar businesses anonymously. It looks at things like sales growth, refund ratios, and fee ratios, giving you a clear picture of where you stand in the market. It also includes comprehensive cost of goods tracking. This means you can automatically associate your costs with your sales, giving you crystal clear insights into your true profit margins. And here's what's really cool. Link My Books creates summary entries that match your TikTok payouts exactly. When that payout hits your bank account, you can reconcile it with just one click. Let me show you how all this works. Step 1. Set up a bookkeeping system. Choose Xero or QuickBooks Online. Step 2. Connect your TikTok shop to Link My Books. The process only takes 15 minutes, and you can try it out for free. Link My Books supports loads of other sales channels too, like Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and many more, so you can connect them all. Step 3. Validate transactions. Each time you receive a payout from TikTok, Link My Books automatically validates every transaction within that payout. It checks the details of each sale, refund, and fee to ensure the correct tax treatment is applied, saving you time and reducing errors. Step 4. Create a summary. Link My Books then creates a clear, organized summary, breaking down the payment into sales, refunds, and fees, and allocating them to the correct accounts. This also applies the correct tax rates to each transaction, ensuring your financial records are accurate. Step 5. Reconcile bank statements. Reconcile your bank statements with your bookkeeping records to ensure accuracy. With Link My Books, every entry in your bookkeeping software will match your TikTok shop payout deposit exactly, allowing you to reconcile the transactions with your bank account in one click. Step 6. Get financial insights. Link My Books is first and foremost an automated bookkeeping solution for e-commerce businesses, but we don't stop there. We showcase a full suite of analytics to give you a better understanding of what your numbers actually mean. It is that easy. I invite you to sign up for a free trial and try this setup. I hope this video helped you understand how to better manage your TikTok shop bookkeeping. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and guidance. Remember, revenue is vanity, profit is sanity. See you next time.